The wheel loader will shovel sand and other auxiliary materials into their hoppers and transfer the sand to the wet grinding ball mill. After the ball milling, the slurry is mixed and transported to the slurry tank for storage. In addition, the lump lime, which first completes crushing by the jaw crusher, then transports to the dry grinding ball mill for grinding into powder. The cement is pumped into the tank for storage. The entire raw material preparation and transportation process is outfitted with a perfect dust removal equipment system to ensure that the environment is free from pollution. At the beginning stage of production, the prepared slurry, lime, and cement are sent to their scales for measurement. Aluminum powder is also measured after being made into an aluminum powder suspension. Next, all raw materials are sent to the pouring and mixing machine for high-speed mixing and agitation. Then the mixed slurry is poured into the mold cavity. The entire measurement, mixing, and pouring process is automatically controlled by the PLC control system. The molds are put into the precuring room for constant temperature precuring. When the precured cake in the mold reaches the cutting strength as per requirement, it is transported to the mold handling crane. The crane lifts the mold and tilts it up to 90 degrees before demolding. After demolding, the mold will be cleaned, then returned to the track, waiting for the next round of pouring. Meanwhile, the cured cake is placed on the cutting machine for side trimming and horizontal cutting according to the predetermined width. After the horizontal cutting is completed, vertical cutting is then completed. The entire cutting time is controlled within 4 minutes and 30 seconds. After cutting, the waste of the cured cake is removed. Then the cake will be transported to the curing car for pre-grouping by the crane. After grouping, the semi-finished bricks are put into the autoclave for high temperature and high pressure curing for 10 to 12 hours. The cake, after autoclave curing, is transported to the separator. The separator, produced by our company, can separate bricks with minimal thickness of 50 millimeters. The finished products after separator are classified and transported by the crane, which are then sent to the packaging machine and finally sent to the finished product storage yard by forklift truck.